in Scotland in November on average 80% of days are cloudy. So here 80% is nothing but probability. So probability of cloudy is nothing but 0.8. Okay, next. Assume that the weather on any one day is independent of the weather on other days. Weather on any day is independent of the weather on the other days. Next. Use a normal approximation. So we have to use normal approximation to find the probability of there being fewer than 25 cloudy days in Scotland in November 30 days. See here. So n will be 30 and you need to find probability of x fewer than 25. So x is less than 25 is what you need to find out. Clear? Now, in any normal distribution question, we make use of this one, that is P of x less than n is nothing but phi of n minus mean by standard deviation. Here you should look out for this symbol. This symbol has to be less than. Only then P will get converted to phi. Clear? The symbol should be less than, only then P will get converted to phi. And moreover, whenever it's normal approximation, he did not say that it's normal distribution. You are using normal distribution. In these cases, you should use 0.5 correction. What do I mean by you should do 0.5 correction means? See, here it is less than 25. If I say this is the normal curve and 25 is here, less than 25 means you have to find out this area. Here you are using normal approximation, so 0.5 correction. What do I mean is, see, this bar should be moved to the front by 0.5. So this area or probability will change to P of x less than 24.5. Okay. This 0.5 correction you should do whenever you are using normal approximation. Okay. Next. Now here the symbol is less than. So P will get converted to phi. So this will become phi of 24.5 minus mean by standard deviation. So now we also should find out mean and standard deviation. So the formula for calculating mean here is n into P. So n is nothing but 30 into P is 0.8. So you get 24. Okay. You also need standard deviation, and formula for standard deviation is square root of np into 1 minus p. So that is equal to square root of 30 into 0.8 into 1 minus 0.8. So you will get square root of, put this entire thing at once in calculator, you get 4.8. Clear so far? Now replace mean and standard deviation over here. So mean is 24 by standard deviation is root 4.8. Now put this in the calculator and take up to 3 decimal places and you will get it to be 0.228. Now this value you will get from normal distribution table. If you have any doubts in using normal distribution table, look at the playlist in the description. This answer you should get it to be 0.5902. Clear? So this is how we do normal approximation questions. Okay.